Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do a video about my wash day routine, so here it is. Today I will be using the purple the purple rice water collection from Shea Moisture to do my hair. Oh, and by the way, this collection is amazing for people with color treated hair like moi. So I'm gonna start by separating my hair into sections so that I can start finger detangling, because I started using my hands for detangling instead of using a wide tooth comb. So first thing that I'm gonna do is spray some water in it because I want my hair to be soft. It's best never to manipulate your hair when your hair is dry. So I'm gonna use avocado oil to pre-poo my hair because I'm going to be using some shampoo and I don't want my hair to become too dry. So I'm using avocado oil to put in extra oils in my hair so that my hair doesn't get stripped away from all the natural oils. When I'm done detangling a section, I'm going to twist that section because I want all my hair to be in twist so that I can wash my hair more easily. Washing my hair while it's in different sections and in twist really worked wonders for me. So hopefully this will help you guys, because by doing this your hair doesn't get tangled while you're washing your hair, and then I won't have to re-detangle my hair after I'm done washing. Usually I like to pre-poo the day before, but in this case I pre-pooed my hair 30 minutes before washing it. So first of all, I'm using the Strength and Color Care shampoo, which had a great slip and had a very creamy texture. Before I wash my hair with shampoo, I always like to rinse my hair with hot water so that the follicles of my hair can open, so that the shampoo can get in easily, so that all the buildup products can wash away easily. In order to prevent breakage caused by my nails, I like to use this little brush thingy to remove all the dirt from my scalp. Also, scratching your scalp with this brush in circular motion stimulates blood flow, which means hair growth. Next, I'm going to use the Strength and Color Care conditioner, which is very good. I really loved it. It really conditioned my hair. My hair became softer. Next, I will be using the Strength and Color Care mask. I believe that I told you before how I always deep condition or do a hair treatment every time I wash my hair, since my hair has been color treated and that it gets dry easily. So this treatment is amazing. Just make sure that you cover the hair from root to tip with the product. Once I'm done applying the hair mask, I am using my own concoction of rice water to spray on my hair. Rice water promotes hair growth too. I made a video about it a while back, so you can check it out after watching this video. By the way, always rinse out your hair conditioner with cold water to prevent hair loss. Now I am just covering my hair so that the heat from my scalp can activate the mask and the rice water, and then I wait for about 5 minutes. Then I go ahead and I rinse, and you see my hair is squeaky clean and I am ready for the next step. Now I am using a t-shirt to take all the excess water from my hair. On Shea Moisture's YouTube channel, they said that you should not apply your products to wet hair but to damp hair so that you don't waste the product as the water runs down on your neck and everything. And I am using a t-shirt because it's less damaging for the hair. And now I'm just going to unravel the twist, apply the products, detangle my hair, and redo the twist, just because ain't nobody got time to play with their hair forever and ever, okay? So now I'm using the primer and styler from the same collection. Besides some oil, this will be the only product that I'm gonna be using to do my twist out. Now, once again, I am finger detangling as I am working the products through my hair. And now I am using apricot oil to seal in the moisture. It's my first time using some apricot oil on my hair, but since the primer was so light, I wanted to go with a light oil also, so this is what I used. Okay, so one last time, apply the product on the section, distribute it evenly from root to tip, finger detangle, and then twist your hair. So here it is, guys, great twist, clean hair, and these are my results. My hair is popping, it's fluffy. I mean, look at this curl definition. Now you know that I had to do a close-up and a slow motion because guys, look at my definition. My hair is looking great, the curls are juicy, and my color is preserved. Okay guys, this is it. Remember that Black Lives Matter and that it's our duty to spread awareness. Keep your head up and love yourself even if this world doesn't. Bye!